So what will we do is that we will build a KPI in Tableau. Here the data is already uploaded in the data source. Okay. Now what we will do is that we'll build a KPI. So let's go ahead and build a KPI. So first of all, we'll do is that we'll take the subcategory in the row section and order date in the column section. Since the numbers are not visible, so we will do what we'll do that we'll take the sales in the marks card. Sales, we will change the marks card from detailed to text. Now the value is clearly visible. So we will build a KPI now. While building the KPI, we will take one condition that if the sales is greater than 50,000, then we'll consider that the target is achieved. The sales is less than 50,000, we'll consider that target is not achieved. So how will we do that? We'll go to first the analysis section, then we'll create a calculated field. In the calculated field, once we click it, a dialog box will appear. In the calculation one, we will change the name to KPI and we will write a formula that if sum bracket open, first bracket, sales, second first bracket close, again bracket, greater than 50,000, then within inverted commas, target achieved, else within inverted commas again, target not achieved, press enter and end. With this, what we are telling is that if the sale is greater than 50,000, the target will be achieved. And if the sale is less than 50,000, target is not achieved. And we will click on apply and OK. As soon as we click on apply, we'll see that in the measure columns, a KPI box will appear. Now what will we do is that we'll take the KPI, drag the KPI into marks card. We can again drag the KPI to marks card. With this, what will we do is that we'll change the one of the KPI to color. So we are seeing that the colors have already changed. Okay. So what will is that we will change the some sales to detailed column. As soon as we change the sum of sales into detailed column, we see that the boxes have also changed. But what we want to do is that we want to show if the say target is 50,000 above, we'll show it as a tick mark, and if it is not, we'll show it as a cross mark. What will we do is that we'll change the from automatic to shape. As soon as we do this, we will click on the double click. We will click on the AGI KPI to shape. As soon as we do this, we will double click it. To edit the shape, what we have to do is that we will click on a drop down arrow, select KPI. For target achieved, we will select tick mark. Tick mark. For target not achieved, we'll select cross mark. Now we have to click on apply. Now I have to click on OK. And we can see that it is completely changed, whichever it is achieved when it is on tick mark, and whichever it is not achieved, it is on cross marks. See, for envelopes on that month of 2012, the sale was below to 27,000. So it is cross mark. And when it rises to 50,502, it is target achieved. So this is how we build an KPI in Tableau. Thank you.